Hello there, welcome back to Home Mistakes. My name is Tutu Westerhoff, and I created this channel to share my thoughts, some ideas, and some inspiration on creating homes that inspire us all in our everyday life. And today I want to take a moment to reach out to each and every one of you with a message of compassion, a message of understanding, and of support because it is so easy to overlook the incredible work that we do and the achievements that we make. So let's pause for a little moment and give ourselves the praise that we truly deserve. I myself am very guilty of that because I have the businesses that I run, I have my family, I do community work, and there's my extended family. So many areas that I focus on, and I try to do well in all areas. And sometimes it does get a little bit too much, especially during this time of the year, shortly before Christmas. Um, it's cold outside, it's dark, and there's so much to be done. Life can be challenging, and there are many, many, many days when we feel like we're juggling a million responsibilities without a moment to breathe. Maybe it's the laundry that is piling up, the dishes that never seem to end, or the kids that are testing our patience, the stuff all over the place that still needs to be decluttered. It is natural to feel overwhelmed, especially in the demanding role of a homemaker. But with all the chaos, I still urge you to take a step back and recognize the countless victories that you have achieved, no matter how small that they may seem. I do not know you personally. Most of you I do not know. Many of you I do not know, but I am very sure that there are some masterpieces that you've achieved and that you deserve a pat on the back for. Remember, it is okay if things are not perfect right now, because life is and has always been a series of seasons, and each one brings its own set of challenges and, of course, triumphs. We should not forget that, okay? Sometimes it's wild and loud, and then we go through the phases of dormancies. Like, sometimes this time of the year, you may be in a season that feels heavy, but that doesn't diminish the beauty of what you've accomplished. Reflect on the good times, the laughter shared over family dinners, the warm hugs that make your heart fill up and swell, the cozy moments spent laughing together, reading together. These are the moments that form the foundation of your home. Remember them and make sure you create more of them. It is important to acknowledge that great things take time. Sometimes we want to rush things, but we need to be more patient with ourselves. Even God took time to create this magnificent home that we call Earth. He created mountains, rivers, and skies, all with patience and intention perfectly. Similarly, your journey as a homemaker is a work in progress. Each meal prepared, each room that you tidy, and each moment you love, each one of these things can contribute to the beautiful piece of art that you're creating with your family. Celebrate these moments because they are building the blocks of a nurturing family, a nurturing home. Let's take a moment to appreciate what good life you have right now. Maybe it's the warmth of your home, the love of a family member, the strength of your that you show during difficult times. I know not everyone has a warm house to live. Some people are not happy with their space at all. And that usually comes out during this cold, dark time of the year that people start reflecting and noticing what they don't have. Then we tend to forget what we actually do have. When you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you open the door to abundance and joy and peace within yourself. From this place of appreciation, you can begin to work on other areas that may need attention. But first, let's be thankful for the blessings that surround you, even if it's just the fact that you're able to wake up in the morning and breathe in good health. You're not alone in this journey. Many homemakers share the same struggles, and yet each bring something specific, something unique and beautiful to the world. Your dedication, your love, and your hard work create a home for your loved ones. You are the heart of the home, and your efforts do not go unnoticed. It may seem like they go unnoticed, but you know, at the end of the day, when all is said and done, they will not go unnoticed. So take a moment today to pat yourself on the back, acknowledge the late nights, acknowledge the early mornings, the sacrifices made, the food, burnt food, good food, sour, sweet food, whatever food that you've created, love that you've poured into every task, no matter how minute or tiny it may be. Pat yourself on your back. And as you go through the ups and downs of homemaking, remember to be gentle with yourself. It is okay to ask for help. Take breaks and to prioritize your own well being. You are deserving of care and kindness, just like how you offer it to the others. So I want you to enjoy this journey with all the imperfections and all the struggles that come with it. You're doing an incredible job. So, to finish off, I want to remind you again that you are enough. Your contributions matter. The things that you do, they matter, and the love that you give shapes the lives of those around you. Okay? Celebrate yourself and all the things that you've achieved. Let gratitude fill your heart. And from this place of appreciation, may you find the strength to continue creating a beautiful home for yourself and your family, a beautiful home that you've envisioned. I know this time of year is going to keep testing you. Things are moving really, really fast. But slow down. Slow down and enjoy the moments of love, the moments that make your life meaningful. If you'd like this video, feel free to share it with friends and family, and I would love to see you next time again. Have a wonderful, wonderful time. Bye-bye.